Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got this new portable blender bottle to share with you, and girl, it looks so neat. I've been interested in these for a while now, and I finally got my hands on one, and this is by a brand called LeeGoal. Now you can find them directly on their website or on Amazon. All of their information will be down below in the description box, so please don't skip over it. Okay, I have it in white, and I love the look of this one. This one is so cute. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at the actual blender. Let me know down below if you already have something like this, and let me know how you like it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Now it is rechargeable. It's going to come with everything we need to operate it. And this is the charging cord here. Looks like some type of cleaning brush. Alright. And we do have the instruction manual should we need that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Now, I'm not big on making protein shakes and smoothies, but I have been looking at quite a few recipes, and I know what I like to drink when I go to Planet Smoothie. So this will be my first time attempting this at home myself, okay? But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see how it is, girl. It feels nice and sturdy. Feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel cheap. Really, really nice. It has some nice weight on it. I do love that about it. And it just looks really nice and chic, okay? So the aesthetic, I give it a 10. It is absolutely perfect. I'm not sure if it comes in other colors, but I just thought this white was just so cute and so chic, and I love this little handle for carrying here. But yeah, once we're done making our smoothie, our shake, whatever type of drink that we're gonna blend up, concoct up, mix up, you can detach the bottom and use this as your mug, your cup, or your on-the-go drinking apparatus, okay? So we can run on to the gym. All right, pack this in our gym bag and make our shake while we're leaving the gym. This is just perfect. But I'm gonna go ahead and see what I got to mix up. I do have some collagen peptides. I've had this for a minute, never used it, but somebody gave this to me, or either it came in one of those like subscription boxes, and they're good to go in your smoothies, your protein shakes, or what have you. I got some bananas. I got a bunch of bananas, so I don't know how many I need, but we're probably going to use this whole thing. I got some pineapple juice. I keep vanilla yogurt. We're going to see how this tastes. So we're going to go ahead and test out this bottle, and we'll put it to work. We're going to see how smooth of a smoothie we get. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good rinse. We're going to clean it before we use it. I hope everybody cleans their appliances before they use them. Alright, so it just disassembles just like this. You have the blender piece, your actual cup. Alright, and then we have the lid, and this piece serves as the bottom of the glass once we're done, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and clean everything. I'm going to give everything a good rinse. Alright, so here's everything that we're using in our smoothie. Pineapple juice. We have whole milk vanilla yogurt by Dannon. I have a banana and my collagen peptides, and I have ice. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So I have my ice. Next, I'm going to do the banana, add the yogurt, splash of pineapple, and my collagen peptides. I really like yogurt, so we're gonna put a generous amount, okay? Y'all know I don't measure anything. Alright, maybe that's enough. Maybe. Looks like enough. Then we're gonna add a splash of pineapple. So this is what we have in there so far. Now we're ready to attach the blender to the bottle and power it on. Press twice to switch it to on. Okay. It's definitely blending. Alright, it looks super smooth. Looks like it goes for 20 seconds. Let's do it again. I want to make sure that it's well blended. Okay, so now we're going to detach it from the blender. You turn it upside down, screw off the bottom. And put on. Alright. So this is what we have. Now you can transfer this to a glass if you'd like, or you can go ahead and drink it right out of the bottle. So it blended really smooth. It looks nice. But let's just see how this tastes. Okay? I don't know about my recipe, but the blender itself is the bomb. But I'm pretty sure you have better recipes to try. Like I said, I'm a novice at this. This is my first time trying this. But nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and taste it. It's really not that bad. And the collagen peptides, that powder blended up really good. And you can't even taste it. Awesome. I really like this. Now I can't wait to try other things. It just hit me. I can even make my own frappes in this. OMGG. We are in the game. Yeah, so definitely check this out. This is definitely one that you want to have in your cabinet, girl, to make you some nice smoothies, some protein shakes, meal replacement shakes, girl. This one's bomb. So you definitely want to try this one. I'm really happy to have this. And girl, my little shake recipe wasn't half bad. Alright, so we saw the blender make a smoothie of some sort. So next we're going to try making a frappe. Alright guys, and here is the frappe. It looks so good, but not only does it look good, but it tastes just as good as it looks, because I already tasted some before I put it in the cup and garnished it up. You can make your own frappes at home. But yeah, that is it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and be sure to check out the description box to get your hands on one of these LeeGoal portable blender bottles. And it is so strong that you can create almost any drink in it. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. But be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. I'm going to go ahead and finish my shake. It's pretty good. Bye, guys.